Good morning and happy Wednesday to you, my friends. So, if everyone can please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red. And which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag. And let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All righty, my friends, let's go ahead and do our recitation. Remember, the very first thing we do is the title and the author. Your hands are at your sides, in your pockets, or behind your back. Your eyes are on the audience, and the audience's eyes are on you. All right, so here we go. The Swing by Robert Louis Stevens. How do you like to go up in a swing, up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it is the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Up in the air and over the wall, till I can see so wide, river and trees and cattle and all, over the countryside, till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown. Up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. And don't forget to take your bow. And okay, I have heard you. Just really quickly, here I have some pictures of some man-made materials. So really quickly, here we have a purse that's man-made. A backpack is man-made. Water bottle is man-made. Spoons and forks, those of course are man-made. Balls are man-made. And look here, really quickly, I want you to look here. A van or a car is man-made. And this is a man-made rock climber. Okay, so I want you to look at that. But then I want you to look here. So that's a man-made rock climber, but look here. This here this is natural. This is a natural resource. And this person is climbing on the rock. Okay, we know that our natural resources are sunlight. A natural resource is a cow. Did you know that we could get a purse from a cow's skin? And then here, look here, we know that fish is a natural resource. We can eat fish. Water, beautiful waterfall, that is a natural resource. And trees are also a natural resource. From trees, we can make paper, we can make furniture and homes. So lots of different things that we can do with all of our natural resources. So with that, friends, let's go ahead and get started with morning meeting. Let's see who today's student of the day will be. All right. So we know that yesterday's student of the day was Gwen. So let's see who today's student of the day will be. So today's student of the day is Ariana Perez. Come on down, Ariana. Now, if Ariana were here, the very first thing Ariana would do is turn the clock to morning. And then Ariana would write her first and last name. But because Ariana isn't here, Mrs. Harrell will go ahead and write that for her. Ariana then Mrs. Harrell would give Ariana her Student of the Day sticker. And Mrs. Harrell would give Ariana a pointer and say, "All righty, young lady, you are on." And Ariana would say, "This here thing is called a calendar. And this here is called a month. And what month are we in? April. And this here is called the year. And what year are we in? 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday was Tuesday, then that means that today is Wednesday. But let's just double check. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. Let's go ahead and recite our months of the year, beginning with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And friends, remember there are 12 months in a year. Now, friends, it looks like we have a number day missing. Let's go ahead and count to see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. Now let's go ahead and do our A, B, C, D pattern. Rectangle, square, parallelogram, hexagon, rectangle, square. Parallelogram. Perfect. All right, so we will put our number 7 there. And let's go ahead and help Ariana with the letters in the month, beginning with capital A, P, R, I, and Danielian L. And don't forget that we also need a Danielian I. And then, of course, we're going to finger space. And what digit are we writing today? Okay, we're writing a number 7, followed by a comma. Is comma number? No, it is a space. And please go ahead and help me with the digits in the year. 2, 0, 2, 1. So now let's go ahead and read today's date with Ariana. Today's date is Wednesday, April 7th, 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday we were here 144 days, what would today be? 145? Well, let's go ahead and draw out our great big bundle of 100s. We'll find out if that's correct. Then we're going to follow with Mr. Tens. So 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. Then we're going to move on to Mrs. Ones. 141, 142, 143, 144, 145. So now let's go ahead and graph these onto our days in school graph. So in our 100ths column, we are going to write a 1. In Mr. Tens column, let's see what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have 4 in Mr. 10's column. And how about in Mrs. 1's column? Let's see what we have. Well, friends, if we had 2 plus 2 equals 4, add 1 more, that would be 5. So we're going to add a 5 in Mrs. 1's column. And now let's see if our days in school tag matches our days in school graph. So do we have one great big bundle of 100s? Do we have 4 Mr. 10s? Do we have 5 Mrs. 1s? So how many days have we been in school? 145. Wow. That is a whole lot of days, my friends. All right, it is now time for Coin Cup, Coin Cup, Coin Cup. And in our Coin Cup, we have some coins. The very first coin we have is a nickel, and a nickel is worth 5 cents. And when we count nickels, we count them by 5 fives. And then the second coin we have is a penny, and a penny is worth, correct, 1 cent. And we count them by ones. So of course we'll start with our nickels. When I switch coins, I'll hold up the coin so that you know we are switching our counting. So here we go. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. 17 cents. All right, so let's go ahead and write 17 cents on our coin cup. Okay, so look here too, friends. I now have something else added to our whiteboard. Remember, we used to do this with our pennies, and then we did it with pennies and dimes. So now we're going to count what's on our morning meeting board and see if that matches our coin cup. So here we go. Here's our nickels. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. Ding, 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 ding. Good job. They match. All right, it is now time for mystery bag. Dun, dun, dun. So everyone, please turn on your morning brains and listen to today's clues. So friends, today in my mystery bag, I first placed 1 blue Lincoln Cube in my bag. So picture that in your brain. I then put 7 orange Lincoln Cubes in my mystery bag. I want to know how many more orange than blue Lincoln Cubes are in my bag. So listen again. So today I put 1 blue Lincoln Cube in my mystery bag. Then I put 7 orange Lincoln Cubes in my mystery bag. I want to know how many more orange than blue Lincoln Cubes are in my bag. So Ariana, what do you think? How many more orange than blue? I had 1 blue Lincoln Cube and I had 7 orange. How many more orange do I have? Ariana says 6. I don't know. Let's see. So here's my 1. And let's count to see if we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's put them close together. We are looking to see how many more orange. So this one and this one have a pair, but no more pairs. So let's count and see what we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more orange than blue. Ding, 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 ding. Let's give Ariana a round of applause. Great job there, young lady. All right, let's go ahead and do our number lines. Let's start with 100s. All right, here we go. 0, 100, 200, 300, hold on, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. And I'm trying to get the glare off so that you can see the numbers, friends, but that's kind of hard. Oh, there we go. All right, let's try it this way. Odds: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Now, evens: 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Very good. 5s: 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, and finally counting back tens: 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job, my friends. All right, let's go ahead and look at our digital clock. All right, our digital clock reads 1:30 or half past what? Half past 1 o'clock. And our analog clock reads half past 11 o'clock or 11:30. We need to match our analog to match our digital. So first things first, we have to locate 1 o'clock. Remember, the shorthand is the minute hand and the longhand is the hour hand. All right, so there we have 1 o'clock. I want you to pay attention to the hour hand and see what happens as the minute hand goes around half past 1 o'clock. What happened to the 1? What happened to the hour hand? It moved, you're right. So now this hour hand, even if it's just a teeny bit, it is now between the 1 and the 2. So this is half past 1 o'clock. Digital clock reads half past 1 o'clock. So we match on both of those. All right, friends, before we do our 100s, let's go ahead and let's see if we can figure this one out. Oh, I think my marker is dying. Let's look at today's pattern, friends. All right, so look here. So in today's pattern, we have 42, 43, 44. So we have some missing numbers here. Remember I said the trick is to count quietly backwards. So let's see. 44, 43, 42. So what do you think goes here? 39. Don't know. All right, it will find out pretty soon. Okay, 39. Okay, all right, 40. Okay, 39, 40, 41. All right, so now let's see if we have completed our pattern. 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Great job, my friends. We have completed today's pattern. Now, looking at our hundreds chart, what number are we going to count today? Let's do 2s. Here we go. 2, 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92. Excellent. All right, friends, when I see you this morning for Morning Live, make sure that you bring your class fact practice, okay? So I will see you guys in just a bit. Bye.